Hi guys, we in Fleety Facility. Today we doing a challenge where I can't open the door. I can't open the doors. I can't open the doors. Okay, so basically I can't open the doors, but if others open the door, I can go through it, and and I can close the doors too. I can close the door. I can go through windows, through everything. And what I need to do is win one round as a survivor and one round as a beast. So yeah, good luck to me. Okay guys, we in the game, so yeah, let's go. Okay, I almost done. I Okay, I can talk. I almost didn't open the door. Did you see how close that was? Oh my goodness. I I oh my goodness, I can't talk. I did the intro, and I when I played the game, I did a mistake I don't know, like 100. Oh my goodness, I almost did that again. Oh my goodness. That's so hard because I need to remember it too. So yeah. We will hack this PC easy. Okay, easy. Okay. Still PC, no. Okay, she checked there, no PC. Okay, I'll go there if she goes there. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a PC. Okay, it's hacked. Oh my goodness, I almost. Oh my goodness. I always forget that. Okay. I always forget that I don't. I can't open the door. So yeah. Oh my goodness. I need to remind myself that I can't open the door. So. Oh, that can be harsh, cause there is a closed door. Do I risk it? Cause I can run there, and I can go here, and I can go.
Hello, you there?
Here. Do you hear that? So where is Beast? And guys, if you on mobile, just jump. If you play Fleety Facility, and if you on PC, you just crouch and hack. Oh, there is a beast. That's why I'm hearing it. Oh my goodness. But look at this OG avatar. We all started with this avatar. Oh my goodness. Now I miss the old days when we can't chat. Oh my god. Roblox, please bring chat back. If you see this for some reason. Okay, guys. GG's. Okay, guys, it's my turn now. After the one round, and it was hard actually, cause I go with 82 level, I think, and she rage quitted cause level 2 escaped. Oh my goodness. So yeah. So guys, I can't open the doors. Remember the challenge. I got 100 money and buy this hammer. It looks cool, in my opinion. So I can't open the doors. So that's, oh my goodness, I really can't do anything really here, because everywhere is a door. Oh my goodness, this is like, okay, caught one. So this will be bait. I don't wanna put Here, okay, we'll put here upstairs. I can't open the door, so yeah. But this is a hell of a challenge, cause this challenge is hard. Actually, it's hard, cause yeah, cause it's hard. Cause you like can't open the door, and others can. So, and I don't really have much what I can do in this map. Cause this, I don't know why I wrote this map, but yeah. Cause this map has really like so much doors. Okay. I got broken. No, that's unfortunate. Okay, gee, where did the bait go? Oh my goodness, just stop running. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, she closed door. Oh, but I can go through those. That's good at least. Okay. I will pretend I didn't see her. I don't really want to know that I can't open the door. That's the issue. Oh my goodness. What? Where did... Okay. So yeah. It's the issue. Okay, I caught one. Okay. Then after this, okay, I actually used okay, there's... Wait, what? Oh, I clicked. I should use runner. Don't wanna escape. Okay, can't close the door. Oh my goodness, this is bad. This is bad. And what's the thing? I don't... Okay. Okay, she left. That's bad for me though. Okay, there's no open doors. Okay. And imagine if he's like in closed room or something and I can't do anything about it. That will suck, man. That will suck. I don't even know where he is. That's the problem. Or she is. Okay, this door is closed. Oh my goodness. I don't know where is he. Oh no, he's not hiding because he's hacking PCs. Now just one left, but there's more because okay, I think I'm gonna lose this round. Oh my goodness, this video is gonna be long and I don't wanna long like form videos. Oh my goodness, okay, I'm getting, oh my goodness, I'm rage back. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I'm just, you can't, now if you just feel my anger or like right now, oh my goodness, I'm not showing the anger, but I'm so angry, oh my goodness, like, there are two persons left and now he has a computer server. Oh my goodness, this is painful. Oh my god. Why window climb? Oh my stupid. Okay, here PCs, no PC. Oh my god. GG's, man, like bro, where the PCs could be. Oh my goodness, this is so painful. Like you don't even know how painful that is. Okay, it has to be low. I will turn on sound that I could hear him better. Where did he go? Oh my goodness, I always forgot I can't open the door. Bro, where is it? And if he knows I can't open, like if he close out the door. Oh, I thought I seen him. I hate this game, like bro. I got banned even for no reason, and I can't find. Bro, I don't wanna play anymore. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, I literally saw where she was, like, and I missed it. Oh my goodness, it's she. Oh my, they literally don't know. Oh my, can you like head back the window climb? It's so annoying when it's not working, like bro. Oh, maybe it's okay. I hate this game, like bro. I'm raging for no reason, like this is actually hard actually. Cause I literally don't know where she is, and I can't open the door, and I can go anywhere I want, cause she's here. Like I know she's here, like bro. I wanna just end this challenge. Oh my goodness, can you just come? It's so annoying when they don't come. Wait, here she isn't here. Wait. I think she's hacking another PC. If she's not here. Yeah, guys, I'm cooked. Oh my goodness, why I'm going? Guys, I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. Okay, guys, bye bye, guys. I failed the challenge. I will go another round. Go to another server. Oh my goodness, I hate this. I hate this absolutely when this happens. Like, bruh. Now she will know that I can't open the doors. Okay, where she is. That's scary. Oh my goodness, that's. No, guys, I'm not playing another round. I failed the challenge and I'm not doing this again. Yeah, guys. Bye bye. This is for today. I'm not doing another challenge. I hate this. Oh my goodness. Please, if you're watching this, please don't ban me. I hate this game. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry I don't hate this game. Oh my goodness, I actually hate this game. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, I'm rage quitting. Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. I don't know what. Okay, guys, I'm ending that. I will throw my phone into wall. Oh my goodness, I'm so angry. Okay, guys, I'm not doing this challenge anymore. It's 8. I'm going to. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm not doing this again. I hate YouTube. I hate everything. I will kill myself if. Okay. Okay. This about the killing. Don't. It's. I'm not gonna end myself. It's just if a content creator will not succeed, but that's not matter to you. Okay. So bye, guys.